Hi Lakeshore friends, Megan here. Okay parents, has this ever happened to you? Your child asks for help with their schoolwork, but you don't know the answer and you're not quite sure how to help? Well, you're not alone. I have some tips that can help. Let's face it, your kid's schoolwork is tough. That's why I'm going to share with you 4 tips on what to do when you don't know the answer. Tip number 1. It's okay to admit when you don't know the answer. It's okay to let children in on this little secret. Grown-ups don't really know everything. This lets your child know that you understand how they feel, and this can reduce frustration. This is also a great opportunity to model working through a challenge with your child. You can say, "I'm not sure how to solve this problem, but there are some things we can do." Sometimes doing this is even better than trying to help your child solve a problem when you're just as confused as they are. Tip number 2, stay calm and be optimistic. It's important to be calm and optimistic that the problem will be solved. Your child is probably already starting to feel frustrated both with the problem and themselves. So do your best not to add your own emotions to the situation. This can add stress in your child and lead to tension between you and your child. Instead, help them develop a positive mindset and learn to persevere through challenges. Tip number 3, use online resources. Do an internet search for more information on topics or for help solving math problems. You can find videos of teachers walking you through step-by-step instructions on how to solve a math problem. It's also a great idea to model for your child how to search for help online. This way, they can use it as a tool the next time they get stuck. Tip number 4, reach out for help. If both you and your child are feeling frustrated, don't feel embarrassed, don't wait. It may be time to call in reinforcements. You can have your child ask a peer for help, or know that teachers are always willing to help. Reach out to your child's teacher for some much-needed direction, and maybe even a quick tutoring session. Here's a recap of what to do when you don't know the answer. Number 1, admit when you don't know the answer and model for your child how to get help. Number 2, be calm and supportive. Help your child develop a positive mindset. Number 3, use online resources. And number 4, reach out for help before you feel too frustrated. It's how you handle the challenge that can be the biggest lesson overall. I hope you've enjoyed this Learning at Home video. Be sure to subscribe to the Lakeshore Learning channel to see more. Until next time, keep on learning.
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.